Hi, I'm Mike Wren, the Director of the Pharmaceutical Services Network at Pitt Community College. I'm excited today to share with you the stories of a number of students who have been through our Pharma K-12 program after graduation and have gone on to be employed by Thermo Fisher.
My name is Taquan Yells. I work in PFS Building 16. I'm an operator too. I graduated from DH Conley in 2021.
My name is Kiriani Diaz. I graduated from Pitt County Schools Early College High School, and I work in Steryl's North Building.
My name is Charlie Burgoyne. I'm a lead formulation technician at Thermo Fisher. I just got promoted last month. I went to North Pitt High School, and I work in the Steryl's manufacturing area of Thermo. I entered the program. They invited me after the work keys test to go to an assembly where they explained what it was about, what the pay would be, what it all would involve, the different areas that are at Thermo. I decided to go for it, went through the program, the interview, and ended up getting the job and really liking it.
So my counselor, Miss Evans, she told me about it, and I thought it would be a great opportunity coming out of high school to have a plan just in case college didn't work out or whatnot. So I decided to follow through with that.
I think my application process was a little bit different. I was in high school, senior year. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do just yet, but I scored high enough on the work keys program, so I decided to apply for the program, and I got in, and now here I am.
My favorite part of the job is the people that I work with. They're really good people. They work together very well, we all do. And the manufacturing aspect is also really interesting to see things that I've seen people take on a daily basis where I know what the process is going into them, how they're made, things like that.
My favorite part is probably when we end a batch and get to do all the reconciliation. I always get a kick out of like, if you start something and then you finish it, like you being able to finish it and see like, wow, I did a good job doing this.
I think my favorite part of the job is just the wide number of people you come across. Everyone's got something different to tell you about, and then you just learn something new every day.
My advice, if you're considering looking into this, is just to kind of go for it. It's always worth checking into it like I did. It definitely changed my life a whole lot. I moved out, I got married last year. It's opened a lot of pathways for me to be able to do things with my life. You can get a job that pays a pretty solid amount for especially my age. You know, I started at 18, I'm gonna be 23 at the end of this year. You can't compare it to anything.
Tell them to do it. It's a good program. It'll help you with your future. Even if you don't decide to do it, you want to go to college, you can just do it, say you did it, and I believe it's a great program.
Before I came into the program, I didn't have any knowledge about what pharmaceutical industry was about. So when I left and went into Thermo U, which is the program that trains you at Thermo Fisher, I kind of already had a background knowledge of a lot of things there. So it kind of made that transition process a lot easier on me.
What surprised me most about Thermo is how accepting they are in general of LGBT people, of younger people like myself.
I feel like they got good growth opportunities. Everybody has an opportunity to go up in the same equal way, pretty much. You do the work, you'll get your money and whatnot, so that's nice.
Well, for me, I felt like I learned pretty quickly, and everyone's just kind of happy to help you learn and keep you growing as long as you work for it.
My advice for somebody looking into it would be at least try it and see if it works out for you. It's a really good opportunity to get, and you should definitely take it.
Pay attention. A lot of this stuff really translates to whatever line you're going on or wherever you continue to go in pharmaceutical. Just pay attention to what they teach and you'll be straight.
I think if you're interested in the program, you should go and just give it a shot. I met friends out here that I'm still friends with at the company. You see them every now and then. It's nice to have a familiar face that you know from before you even started working there.
You can do it. If I could do it, you can do it.
For students that would like to take advantage of the Pharma K-12 scholarship, please contact your campus's Career Development Coordinator. Information sessions will be held on each area high school campus. On behalf of NC Biotech, we look forward to partnering with you on this exciting career opportunity.